Let me ask you this. Have you ever had to go to a meeting with, let's say, more than 10 people? Everybody's talking, everybody's contributing to the meeting. It's a long meeting, it's like an hour, and you're trying to take notes, and you're trying to keep track of everything that's being discussed. It's really difficult, if not impossible, to get an accurate idea of what actually happened at that meeting with 10 people talking after the fact. So I want to introduce you to the PLAUD Note and the PLAUD Pin. These devices are going to change your life. I'm telling you, they are incredible. Now, I've previously reviewed the PLAUD Note, and that is this credit card sized little digital voice recorder. But this is the PLAUD NotePin, and I want to spend most of my time talking about this. One of the advantages that the PLAUD Note has is this can attach to the back of your smartphone using MagSafe, and this has the ability to record telephone conversations. That's pretty cool. But if that is a feature that doesn't really impact you in any way, then you might want to consider the NotePin. And let me show you what this consists of. So here's what you get when you buy the PLAUD NotePin. First of all, this is it right here. This tiny little thing is the recording device itself. It has a magnetic back. This is what covers the charging ports, and normally you would just keep that on there like that unless it's charging. It is magnetic. You can't even put it on wrong because the way magnets are. So there you go. There's a little LED here. This LED lights up when it's turned on. To turn it on, you just sort of give it a little firm press right in the middle. Hold it for a second, you'll feel vibration, and that little LED turns red. That means it's recording. And to turn it off, you just give it another press in the middle for about a second. A light goes off, and that means it's now in standby mode. It'll not record while it's in standby mode. But to start recording again, just give it another press for 1 second, and it goes into recording mode again. So that's it. That simple to operate. Now, they also give you a charging cord. This is just your basic USB-C charging cord. It is cloth covered, woven cloth cover, so it's a really nice quality cable. And then this is the charging base. Once again, this is magnetic. It has the contact points here. So you just take the back cover off, as I showed you earlier. These are the contacts for the charging, and they just line them up. Again, it's magnetic. You can't put it in the wrong way. It'll just spin itself around, and then you just plug in the USB-C cable there and charge. It charges relatively quickly, and you can record for hours and hours and hours with this. So it'll record very, very long meetings. You might be able to go a week or two before you have to recharge this. So that's it. Here's the accessory kit that you get. This gives you a very nice clip. This will clip to your pocket, your lapel, your jacket, whatever. And the way that works is that, again, this is magnetic. So you just get your PLAUD NotePin and attach it. You can't put it on the wrong way. Once again, that's it. And then this is just a spring-loaded clip here. They also give you a very nice wrist band here. And then the PLAUD NotePin snaps in just like this. And then you've got a nice wristband that you can put on your wrist. I will say one thing about the wristband, though. If you have a large wrist, this band is maybe not going to fit you. So this is definitely for smaller to medium-sized wrists. But it is magnetic as well. So once it's attached, it seems to be pretty secure. And there's yet another way you can wear the PLAUD NotePin. You can just take the magnet off the back. Say you want to wear it on your lapel or someplace like this. Just get that magnet underneath, and it is going to securely hold it wherever you put it. And then finally, they do give you a lanyard, and this will just hang around your neck, and the PLAUD NotePin will hang from that right in front. So that is another way that you can wear this. It picks up sound in large rooms really well. It's kind of amazing. And I use this when I go to church. I record sermons. When we have our study group, I use this to record whatever is happening in the room. And yesterday I had a HOA meeting where I live, and there were probably 18 people in attendance, and everybody was talking. The meeting was a little over an hour long, And so this recorded everything. So this records the voice. Okay, big deal. I can do that with my phone, you say. Well, yeah, you can. But what if you get a phone call during your recording? Or what if you need to look something up? You know, there's a lot of reasons that a standalone digital voice recorder is going to be great. But that's not really the power of this. The power of this is the AI. Once you get your thing recorded, you just get your smartphone, you launch the PLAUD app. This will automatically, once it's paired with your phone, it will automatically upload the digital file, the voice recording, to your phone. And then once you're in the PLAUD app, you can choose generate, and what it's going to do is create a very accurate transcription of everything that was said. And it'll show you the transcription, and you can actually play the voice recording and check it to the transcription just to see how accurate it is. It'll kind of blow you away. It's not 100% accurate, but it's pretty darn accurate. It really never ceases to amaze me. Well, that's not all this does either, though. So once you've hit generate and once you've got that transcription, then it is going to summarize, it'll make a mind map, it'll do takeaways, it categorizes all the information, organizes it. If all these people are talking about different things, it is smart enough, the AI is smart enough to be able to categorize it and put it into a form that is easily digestible, concise, and it is just, really, it's like magic. So, and there are many, many different ways that information can be organized. Depends on whether it's a lecture or a discussion or an interview. They give you many different types of templates that you can use, and that'll determine how the information is presented to you. If you would like to see how that information is presented, say you chose lecture, but you meant to choose discussion, after the fact, you can have it redo it, and it'll do it in the new form. So basically, these are customized prompts that PLAUD provides to organize the information in a way that is most pertinent to you. This is great for sales meetings. This is great for realtors. Say you're doing a walkthrough of a house, you can just have this on your lapel, and as you go room to room, you can just talk about the room, all the features, whatever you want to talk about. If you're giving an interview, this is a great way to record that interview and then make a brief or a complex summary of everything that was discussed. Anytime you just want to take a note, you can use this. Fantastic. As far as what it costs to operate, well, they give you 300 minutes a month. And then if you need more than that, you can subscribe to a plan. They have several plans available where you can buy minutes a la carte, or you can subscribe to a plan that gives you thousands of minutes. Or you can buy a plan that gives you unlimited minutes. So there's a lot of different plans you can get depending on what your needs are. But this is just such a fantastic little device. I think the price of this for the power that it provides is unbeatable, really. And it feels solid. It's really well made. Both this and the PLAUD Note, they're just really easy to use. So that is it. This is really, to me, this is one of the coolest tech gadgets that I've ever owned, and it's very, very powerful. And if you don't like taking notes, if you like to go to a school lecture, and you're just terrible at taking notes, this is going to be your best friend forever. So that's about it. That is a look at the PLAUD NotePin. Thanks a lot for watching. We will catch you in the next video, and please subscribe. Can you please subscribe to the channel? It'll help my channel so much. Thanks a lot, guys. We'll catch you next time.